Alright, so today my hood pins finally came in because the old ones actually don't connect to anything and they didn't come with the pin. So I'm going to be doing an install of these today. They're pretty cool. They got the key to lock them. These are the stands. If you don't know why I have toothpaste, I'll explain that in a minute. And these are all the nuts and bolts. So first things first, I'm just gonna find a place to mount these. I'm actually gonna just mount them about right there, if I can. Maybe right here. So it'll either be here or there. That way it can be completely the same on both sides. Maybe not, considering this side is missing a hole. So it looks like it's gonna be here then. Alright. So first I'm just go ahead and put these on. It's really simple. Alright, so I did decide to put them in that spot instead of in that spot. Just be better. Plus it's closer to where the hood pins that are already on it are, so it might just cover up those holes when I install the new ones, and that'll be beneficial. That way I ain't gotta bondo it. But that's pretty much it. I got them all as far down as I could get them. Just one bolt here, one bolt on the bottom side to hold it in, same for that side. And so I'll be taking the hood off after I mark where these touch the hood. Then I can drill the holes for that, and after that I'll take the hood off and go ahead and cut to put the pins in. Okay, so I got some toothpaste on there. I tried to find one that wasn't white because the hood is white, so I'm gonna just close the hood and see where they line up. Okay, so the next step is marking the holes that I drilled for the pins. So these are where the old pins were, so it'll cover up most of it, but that's that. And I'm gonna have to take the hood off and cut and then put them in. So we'll check that out soon. So I did manage to get that one in, and this one. Alright. Got all the holes drilled. That's the mountain hardware. I'm about to give it a paint. I just sanded the whole thing, cleaned it off, so go ahead and put the first coat on and we'll see what happens. Alright, so this is where we are with it now. It's not the best because some stuff happened along the way, but you know, it is what it is. It'll still all be one color, like all this stuff right here, but we'll see how it comes out in the end. Okay, so I just finished the install. It's a little dusty because I have to drill some more holes, but this is the finished result. And as you can see, they almost cover up where the old pins were. That's just one hole. I ain't really too worried about it, but yeah, you put the key in, turn it, pull it out, then you can push this button and unlatch it. Pretty cool. They're still covered in toothpaste, which is kind of funny, but yeah. And then if you want to lock it, just put it back in, lock it, pull it back out. And if you don't unlock it, you can't push the button to unlock the latch. So they're pretty solid. It's not going anywhere, and the paint is looking decent. Soon the whole car will be one color, but yeah, just stay tuned for the next one. Till then, if you like the build so far, you want to keep following it, just like the videos, subscribe. I'm trying to post every week. Yeah, trying to post the update video every week. So yeah, if you want to keep following the build, just subscribe, hit the notification button. It'll let you know when I drop the next video, so on and so forth. But yeah, hope you guys have a nice day.